What is up, guys? So if you guys watched yesterday's video, you knew I said there was supposed to be a blizzard today, and I was gonna wait it out. I was gonna stay home today, but it's like 1 o'clock and it wasn't that bad out, so I came down, but now it's kind of starting to come down hard. It's not sticking yet, but I might end up getting stuck here tonight, but that's no biggie. But stoked to be down here. I thought today was gonna be a wash, but this is cool. So what the heck are we gonna get ourselves into today? While I was out there, I got a cord that we could wire into the new lights so we can see how bright it is. I've been dying to see how bright they are, and we're gonna find out today. So I'm gonna wire this in later and we'll find out. Besides that, I just got some general garage stuff. More importantly, all right guys, well, it's officially starting to stick very quickly too. Looks like I might be staying the night here. At least Donald just showed up so he could be snowed in with me.
What up, Jimmy?
What's up?
Parking lot sucks.
I know, you got the Jeep though.
What's up, RJ?
This fit snow, it hurts.
It hurts? How's the G in the snow? Fun?
Great.
You gonna get nay-nay with it?
Let's get nay-nay on the way here.
Alright, I think today we're gonna delete Donald's radio antenna. I think we'll be good.
Yeah.
You have pretty good reception on radio without it, so
Oh yeah, it's fine.
So we're gonna clean it up. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna use my skills that B Hall taught me. So we'll do that. And RJ, you want to try out one of the lights? I'm so excited too.
Oh, did you get them all hooked up now?
Well, I gotta do one at least.
Oh.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Well, I bought this at Lowe's. It's for like washing machines, but it works. So it actually just slipped right into this. So we're gonna take off this filament, put the bulbs in, and see how bright it is. Look at that. Get that full of fingerprints. Look at that reflected. That's crazy. Straight mirror. All right, let's get the bulbs in.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
There's 25 light bulbs in here. No. RJ, though, such a menace.
In that?
There's 25 light bulbs.
Oh,
in here.
just in this? I
Just
thought
in
there
here.
was more.
Wow, T5s are tiny. So there's like basically stop it. There's like 3 different types of like fluorescent bulbs like this. There's T12s, 8 and 5s.
Oh
and
my god,
basically
they're so little.
The 12s are like the old inefficient ones. The 8 ones are bigger, but they're like still decently, but they're cheap. These are expensive. I know a lot of people said I should have went LED, and I kind of wish I did, but
What the?
hold on, we need gloves for these, I think.
Gloves?
These are 54 watts.
There we go. Oh my god.
Well, look at those little
There's a piece
pencils.
of tape you pull right here. See it?
Yeah, but it's okay. These are supposed to be bright as like those giant ones. These are supposed to be brighter, actually.
Did you ever take these bulbs and smash them over your friend's back?
You should
Yeah,
probably
like the bigger ones.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ooh.
All right. Well, hopefully they get brighter. Wow, that's
That's right, dude.
that is so bright.
That's in a good area.
All right. All right, guys. Picture this higher up, so it's more dispersed than 4 of them. I think this will do well. I'm excited. Dumbing. I'm excited. Very pumped.
Dude, look how far up it's going. Watch.
It disperses like really well. Guys, let's see if I can put everything B Hall taught me to use right now. So we have this hole we are filling. We sanded away all the paint around it where we're gonna weld, and now we're gonna make a little template of this shape. B Hall showed me this little tape technique where you lay a piece of tape down,
Like a stencil.
and you could you kind of just rub the shape into it. So you peel it off.
And you have a nice little impression.
So now we have our little stencil. Maybe using a greasy finger might help because you can see it better, but
Or dust.
or dust, yeah. So let's cut this out.
We know how Jimmy loves dust. His dust.
We got a magnet in the back and got our little piece. It's not like perfectly tight, but it'll do. Hopefully it doesn't move up.
Holy fuck. That's fucking good, Danny.
That look came out like asshole. I'm like really upset about that.
Really? Yeah. Well, you got if you put a little Bondo on it, it'll be mint. Come on, focus, you cock.
It's in there.
Oh my god. These southern boys got it good. Whew. This sucks.
Okay, so it's what time is it now? It's 7 o'clock. I was kind of not gonna, I think I decided I was gonna make a video today, but we should film something. I guess you guys would appreciate from something. It is bad out. We gotta give a snow update.
Oh yeah.
We went out, okay, so Donald has his mom's Jeep, so we went out to Lowe's and we got a few things. I'll show you that in a second, but dude, it's insane. It went from 0 to 100 in like
It's really bad. Can't even open the door. It's insane. It's bad. You motherfucker. I'm gonna fucking kill you. Fuck.
I'm kidding.
It's so cold.
Oh my god, look at you. That was what?
I was
Like,
outside for like 15, 20
look
seconds.
at the door's stuck. Oh my god, this is I'm sleeping here tonight. Guys, it is so bad. I want to take the E36 out so bad, but I don't even think it would make it past the door.
No, just like bottom out and just not go.
This is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. So when we went to Lowe's, I bought a DA sander. I need this obviously for every reason why you own one of these. Mainly to help finish up the bay, and so I could help prep painting parts. And when we do the E36, I gotta sand the crap out of it. And of course I got the sandpaper for it. And Donald wants to do a little project tonight.
Yeah, a little project.
A little project.
A little ricey project.
For you guys that know the Red Sea, I did a little something in the hatch because I was bored. And when you're bored and young, you tend to do a lot of stupid mods just for the hell of it. And I did a hardwood flooring in the hatch. This is my battery cover that goes over there. But hardwood flooring in the hatch because my rear carpet was destroyed. I thought it was pretty cool. I came from Volkswagens, and this is like a super Volkswagen-y thing to do. And so Donald is feeling a little inspired, and he wants to do it to Sylvia.
Ricey fucktard.
It's not as easy as the Z, I think, because the Z rear carpet was just one little piece so we could trace. His rear carpet is it's actually quite big back here, and it's attached to the seat. So we're gonna figure this out. But what we did is we got himself some nice, cheap Pergo flooring from Home Depot. This stuff just like clicks together. Doesn't really like hold together too well, but yeah. So if you want that nice hardwood floor look, you're supposed to like stagger them, I think, with each other, just so it has like a line in it. But we're gonna see what Donald likes first. This is essentially it. We're just gonna do all straight pieces. I think it'll look good. We don't have to stagger them to give it that hardwood floor look. We'll just waste a lot of material. But as you can see, it fits pretty well right here. These little edges right here actually go underneath the plastic panel, so we don't need to do those. And this line here. So we should probably, I'm pretty sure the best way to do it is get like some 1/4-inch plywood or some like really thin plywood and put it underneath it too, and then glue it to that to give it more rigidity. But if we glue them together and then get 2 more pieces and just kind of like go the long way, it should hold together just fine. For you carpenters out there, you're probably cringing at this, but I don't know the right way to do this.
We ain't carpenters.
If it works, it works. This is the step where having like a thin layer of plywood would make your life a hell of a lot easier. We just didn't have enough room in the Jeep. We're just trying to get it done. So basically laying them across this way and glue them together to give this some rigidity, because these panels, they literally just kind of like slip together on each other, and they don't have much structure like folding, so they'll just want to break off each other. So we're going to glue these together like this, and hopefully that works, and we'll find out. So I guess that'll work.
Masterpiece.
I keep going back and forth on if I'm actually going to make a video tonight or not, just because nothing seems to be going as planned. I guess the snow coming down was planned, so that works. But the glue is not going to dry overnight, so this should be all set for tomorrow. We'll finish this up tomorrow, probably in the next video, so you guys stay tuned for that. But I don't know. I guess we'll film some stuff down here. If you guys are still watching, that's awesome. I just hate missing another freaking upload because I've been so horrible this week. But so it totally looks like I'm gonna have to stay the night at the garage, which I guess is kind of funny, but whatever. So I'm taking the time that I have now by myself to kind of tidy up a few things that I've been putting off, just because like there's a lot of, being like an automotive YouTuber, there's a lot of like random stuff you tend to put off because you're always aiming for like this completion of something on a video, because honestly having a video where nothing actually gets fully done sucks, which will probably be this video, and I apologize for you guys, but there's a lot of little stuff that gets put off for a while just because of that, and this is one of them, and that's just typical like putting interior back together. So I had to rip all this out, which is like kind of a pain in the ass. I've just been procrastinating putting it back together, so I've just been putting the trunk back together, and just it's one less annoying thing I have to do later on, so should be all set. We're gonna keep working on this. Always remember to try and memorize what the hell you're ripping apart, so it makes your life a lot easier in the future, because it's not horrible. It's like a puzzle, but it's a pain in the ass if you've never done it before. It's got that like nice 90s doesn't fit perfectly type of feel to it, so kind of throws you off. Well guys, exciting enough. I have solved the puzzle. I am victorious. So just quickly threw on my M3 trim back on the driver's side door, and it looks a hell of a lot less junky. Still looks junky, but so much better. If you guys didn't catch it in the last video, I finally got the M3 fender molding, courtesy of Rudnick. He actually had an extra set, so he sold them to me. So thank you, Rudnick, very, very much. And yeah, I still not convinced I'm keeping this door. Its doors are cheap, and I kind of want to get a door with the regulator built in and ready just to throw in. So if anyone knows like a 92, 93 door, driver's side door, I guess, for sale in like the Northeast area, let me know. I need one. They seem just as cheap as like the regulator and then themselves. I need a regulator, so hopefully that works out. I don't know, but I'm gonna quickly throw the grills in too because they've been out. I actually took them out because one didn't really fit that well. The tabs were actually broken on this piece, so it didn't like fully stay in. I was gonna try and like wrap them, see how they looked black, but I cannot find my black vinyl anywhere. Luckily, I was very fortunate that a sub actually sent me another set of kidney grills, and the inner black pieces is cleaner and the tabs aren't broken, so they actually hold into the grill and won't like kind of like flap open like before. But my outer trim is cleaner, so I'm gonna basically switch my outer trim to the base, and hopefully my grills will actually fit this time. It's really nice how you can just take these things apart. These just click right in, just like that. And then these now, this is the side that used to protrude. Hopefully it works. Look at that. Doesn't stick out anymore. It used to like hang open. Much better. Nice. These fit like kind of loose. I don't know if it's my grills or what. Does that happen with a few of you E36 guys? I mean, they're in there, but they're like, I don't know. But, I mean, has grills again. Looks good. Okay guys, I cannot decide if black grills, all black grills, or chrome grills look better. I think I'm gonna change the clear corner markers and the red clear taillights to smoked. Now I was leaning towards smoked to begin with, just because of like the blacked out housings and the headlights and stuff. I figured it'd go better with it, but like when I think of smoked, I just think of like crappy rice, like initially, like because usually you think of like smoked taillights and they look pretty junky, but there's a few cars that pull it off, but I've been seeing a lot of E36 lately, and it seems like they could really pull off the smoked light look, and I think I'm gonna do it. The reds just protrude too much. Maybe if the whole car was like super clean, they'd look good, but it's just too much. So I just remembered I had a bottle next door of this stuff. Now I feel really guilty using this. I know this never comes out as nice as like using a film. Film is honestly like the way to go, like kind of like a, you know, like a film, like a sheet. It's like a plastic wrap essentially. This never comes out as nicely, but for the sake of science, we're gonna try it out for a comparison. I mean, these corner markers are like 25 bucks. They're pretty cheap and they fit really good. So we're gonna see what it looks like a little bit tinted. For the sake of science, let's do it. I hate myself for doing this. All right, that's good. That's a nice light coat, maybe a little darker. God, this darkens up so fast. I don't like the little blue purplish hue that it gives off, but we'll try that. We'll let that dry and see how it. I don't think so. You could probably see in the camera, it like looks like blue, and I hate it. It just sticks out too much. I'm gonna try and darken it a little bit more and see if it helps correct that blueness, because it looks kind of tacky. I sprayed another layer of Nightshade, and it now looks like any 6-year-old kid that Nightshades their Ford Taurus taillights, and I darkened them way too much. And yeah, the blue hue didn't go away. Still looks like crap. Or whatever. This is a trial and error process. I'll put them on in a second so you guys can actually see what it looks like. But when you're trying to like build a car for the first time, it's a big trial and error process, and I'm happy you guys could go through this with me so I could hopefully save you some money and show you what you like. These are growing on me now after looking at that thing. I already went on eBay and bought another set of smoke corner markers because I'm so upset on how that looks. So those will come in next week and we'll see how those look. Holy fuck, that looks like shit. Don't ever do that. Look at that. Blue tint have an ass. That looks so bad. Guys, please don't nightshade anything. I didn't realize how shitty this stuff is. It looks so tacky. If you're gonna tint something, order some tint film or something. That just, ew. I don't want to put that back on. I just want to throw it in the trash. I horribly regret that. I hope I saved someone the time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. I guess that like purple can kind of gives you a precursor to how it's gonna look. At least tomorrow I could teach you how to fix your mistakes and un-nightshade parts because that's not gonna cut it. We'll give a little tutorial tomorrow on how to actually move the nightshade while not completely messing up the light underneath, and we'll go through that, but that's all I got. Did find out that Regret comes in a can called Nightshade, and that just is not happening. So today everything is officially ordered for the S13. Last thing I need is to find a set of coilovers. I still might buy Tommy's PBMs off of him because he doesn't like them and he wants to go stands. I don't know why, but and I ordered a bunch of parts for the E36 tonight, and I finally found a pair of Blitz. Finally, I have a matching set of all four, which will really bring the car together. Finally, having a matching set of wheels. Just got to find a day to drive 3 hours both ways up to Massachusetts and pick them up. And then we're going to relip them and do that whole process. So I hope you guys are excited about that, showing how to rebuild a set of 3-piece wheels to fit your specs and your desires. So that's about it. Hopefully I make it home. I thank you guys for watching today's video, even though we didn't really get much done. I really appreciate every single one of you guys that watched one of my video. It allows me to do what I do, and it means the world to me. So with that note, I'm gonna call it a night. It's late. Hopefully my car will make it home. And of course, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we wrap up Donald's hardwood floor trunk piece thing that we're doing right here. And that's about it. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye. Well, guys, the roads are a lot worse than I thought. So it looks like I'm spending my first night at the shop. So it looks like I'll be sleeping on the couch in the shop tonight. The little Saturn just can't handle it. I've probably slid off the road 3 times already, driving like 2 miles. So turned around. Whatever. Well, that kind of sucks. I got excited that I could sleep home tonight, but it's whatever. The real problem is I only live probably a solid 8. I probably live like 10 miles away from my shop, and it's literally all uphill, and it's all steep hills, and I'm not trying to get stuck halfway up a hill and then just slide and die, and no more YouTube channel. So we're just gonna sleep at the shop. Well, guys, it looks like this is where I'll be staying tonight. Luckily, it's nice and heated, and I got the TV, so we'll be all set. Good thing I just bought a brand new moving blanket. These things are toasty, trust.